Lots of people find clearing nerve-wracking, and a big part of that is the phone call. If you aren't sure how the phone call is going to go or what universities may ask, this can cause a lot of stress and anxiety for applicants. We're here to help. I'm going to explain exactly what we ask for during a clearing call at BCU so you can be prepared on the day. Going into the phone call confidently means there's one less thing to worry about. A great tip is to have all your documents ready, including your results, before you make the call. It'll be less stressful if you've done these 4 things to prepare. Know what subject you want to apply for and have backups. Once you have a subject you enjoy, look into related courses with different entry requirements. 2 subjects might lead to similar careers but have different entry requirements, for example marketing and digital marketing. This is a chance to be open-minded and think about courses you might not have thought of before. Get the university's clearing information ready in advance. This includes hotline numbers, opening times and links to their websites. You can have a few tabs open for this or put the information in a Word doc or note. A great tip is to save the clearing number as a phone contact so it's easier to call on the day. The last thing you want is to get mixed up with your uni choices. Find out where you'll get your results, whether that's going in or through an online portal. Collect your results and make a note of the qualification titles and your subjects. This means, for example, what type of BTEC it is. It's time to make your clearing call and ring the hotline. Be in a quiet room with strong signal. If you're able to, it's important that you make the call, not a guardian or anyone else. But it's fine for them to be there for moral support. Here's exactly what we'll ask you on the clearing call. To start the phone call, just say something like, "Hi, I'm looking to apply to course name through clearing, please." Then we'll ask, what's your name, address, email and phone number? Do you have your UCAS and clearing number? You can find these on your UCAS hub if you've applied. What course do you want to apply for? If you're not sure, let us know the subject you're interested in and we can help. What results did you get in your A-levels, BTECs and GCSEs? You need to let us know the subjects that you took and the grades. Do you have any questions for us? If you have any questions about accommodation or student finance, let us know. And that's pretty much it. Some courses like health and teaching might need you to come in for an interview at a later date. Clearing can be a stressful time, but the person at the end of the phone is there to help you. There's no need to be scared, worried, and there's no more tests. If you take all the steps to prepare, the call will be easy and hopefully you will end up with a place at uni.